I found your sweater in the corner of my room. Smelled like the rain from that late July afternoon. We laughed, we cried, we burned like a flame. But nothing lasts forever, nothing stays the same. I drive past the places we used to know. Your shadow still dancing in the glow of streetlights that flicker like old memories. And I can't escape what you left in me. Echoes of goodbye ringing in my chest. I try to move on, but I can't forget every word, every lie, every time we collided. I hear the echoes, echoes of goodbye. Your favorite song plays on the radio. I catch my reflection in the window. I smile, I cry, I pretend it's okay, but the night steals the words I wanted to say. I drive past the places we used to know. Your shadow still dancing in the glow of streetlights that flicker like old memories. And I can't escape what you left in me. Echoes of goodbye ringing in my chest. I try to move on, but I can't forget every word, every lie, every time we collided. I hear the echoes, echoes of goodbye. I'll write your name in the stars tonight, even if it fades with the morning light. I'll hold on to the sparks, the fires of the pain, 'cause love like ours leaves a permanent stain.